Point number 11, Isaac versus 5. Point number 9. Kev N versus IIE. In court number 7.
May ko ako ng score bago mag-start. Okay, game 9. Moving ready, Isaac and 5. Score, Namo.
Ayan, PG versus IIE at court number 9. Isaac versus Pies at court number 7. IIE versus Peachy at court number 5. Nice block! Isaac at court number 11. Peachy pala. Ano, Isaac? Isaac. Umpire court number 13, please be reminded of your winner player na sila po yung ating linesmen after the game for the next game. And don't forget to take photo after the game. Seryo po din sa meron kayo dito sa court number 13. Sir, ang tinatawagin natin. Stand by, court number 13.
Score 8-4.
Change court at court number 9, IIE versus Peach.
Score 7-9.
Nice!
Out!
Sir Gilbert and Sir John Ray, winner of point number 13, Sir Palaing Sulputaro. Ayan, So next game for court number 13, game number 10, Alison and Seth
Players,
from Pies versus Iron TJ from UR. Nandiyan na sila. Ayan, thank you.
players. Score, 11, 8.
Nice smash from Pies at court number 11. Nice one! Isaac at court number 11.
Score, 9, 12. Back over, point, take service. Score, 13, 9. Back over, point, nice. Score, 14, 9. Score, 10, 14. Back over, point, take service. Score, 15, 10.
Sir Ed.
Ay, ayan, meron tayong winners ha. Court number 5. Sharon X 21 versus Ryan G 15 in favor. Okay, Partici, court number 5. So, Ma'am Sharon and Sir X, Ma'am X po. Ayan, paano po tayo nice men. Next game at court number 5, Vanessa Ingersoll versus Dorian Janet at court number 5. Ay, hindi pa yung player.
Score, 12, 17.
Vanessa Vincent.
Meron na?
Sino ba ito? Norley Janet.
Score, 18, 12. Over, point, score, 13, 18.
Sir Ed, Sir Ed.
Ay, sinapulog lang. Yes. Okay, court number 7. Ang ganda ko lang, Engineer RJ Magaling and Emmanuel versus Josh Maricante and Israel Gumo. Game number 7. Ay, panalo na ba? Walang score.
Walang score.
Score, 19.
Court number 7, kung sino po yung panalo, announcement po. Alright, court number 13, UA versus 5.
Set point, 14.